Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, but on this episode, we're going to do the keto meal plan for easy keto meals coming up next. Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I have lost 67 pounds through keto, through intermittent fasting, and on today's episode, we're going to do ketogenic diet meal plan for easy keto meals. I'm going to dive into how to have a simple, lazy keto meal plan. But first, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe and make sure you also put down in the comments keto meal so I know to do more videos just like this. Based upon comments is how I judge what videos to do. So I'm providing you, my favorite folks, the best value possible. Now let's dive into the video on ketogenic diet meal plan. Okay, the first thing that I use, some of the tools, y'all can use whatever you want. This is the one that I'm loving right now. It's Keto Simple. I'll put it in the comments, put it in the description link below. It's a magnet. It has net carbs. It has your shopping list. You can do this on a piece of paper. You can do it on my Post-it video, which I'll link down below too. But this is how I'm just doing this week's one because you can use a dry erase marker. It makes it simple for me to figure out my keto meal plan for the week. And it's helped me aid in weight loss and help me lose no, that's not right. Help aid in my weight loss and help me save more money. So lose weight, save more, I'm in, because it's super, super simple, right? So what I'm having this week, here's my ketosis meal plan to help me lose weight, save money. The first thing that I'm doing is I fill in all the days of the week. If we have something special going on, obviously I'll put that in the particular area. I only write my dinners because what I do is I will make extra of it and then have the leftovers for lunch the next day with 2 cups of spinach, which is 1 net carb, and then a tablespoon of my hemp seed oil, olive oil, some sort of oil, pecan oil, use different things with it. So I know what my lunches are gonna be. It's left. So I will also link this down in the description link below along with the recipes going along with this. But Monday will be leftovers from Sunday. But we have done Tuesdays are Taco Tuesdays. I have an awesome taco shell recipe and my taco seasoning recipe that I use that's keto. It doesn't have extra added inflammatory properties. It's super easy to make and it's cheap. So Taco Tuesday, and then we'll have the leftovers again. I'll put like the extra taco meat for my spinach up on Wednesday's lunch. We do Taco Tuesday and then Wednesday's breakfast day. So my son and my husband have a different breakfast dinner than I do, but for my keto breakfast, that's my keto dinner. Eggs, bacon, sausage, egg casserole, which I'll put that in the description link below. It's some sort of combination of whatever we have, but those are just some ideas. Keto pancakes. I have an also keto pancake recipe too. I will link all that down in the description link below. And then again, making extra whatever that is for Friday's lunch. Friday we'll go out to Chipotle. I love Chipotle, done lots of videos on keto Chipotle, but that makes for an awesome lazy keto dinner. And for the keto diet meal plan, this is so simple, right? It's so simple for having just an easy ketogenic meal plan. Next day, Saturday is ribeyes. I try to con my husband into grilling those on our grill outside, but sometimes I will use my cast iron skillet. I get grass-fed ribeyes delivered to my house. I will link that down below for a 10% off code on that. And then next is Sundays, I'm gonna have a cheeseburger soup, which will be our leftovers. I will make extra. We're gonna be getting a fill-in of those. I'm using that out of the Easy Ketogenic Diet Slow Cooking Cookbook. The Keto Cookbook is the recipe, and it's on page 53 is where I'm gonna get that recipe for the cheeseburger soup in the slow cooker. And then for the rest of my keto meal plan, like just keeping it super simple. If I want to check something in terms of net carbs, I use this. My shopping list over here, I usually keep that now on a text message to myself, or I will put it in my Keep app on my phone for things that I need. But this is easy. I put this up high because it's a magnet, so my son doesn't get it. But this is my keto diet meal plan. Like super, super simple for easy keto meals, lazy keto meals. It makes keto lunch a no-brainer, and it really makes keto dinners not stressful anymore. It's taken the stress out of my keto meal prep. So by having my meal plan, I know what I'm gonna eat, and then I can just prep it really simply. So if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe and put down below keto meals if you wanna see other videos just like this. And also sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss email where you can get this emailed to you each week and it's free. Hello. Wishing you guys a powerful day. Bye.